Hello everybody. So this is our Smile Lab which is connected to the study based oriented theme. Actually we can connect this to Little Biz books as well as other publication books also. So this is our playgroup material wherein the child will be experiencing practical knowledge, hands-on work and learning program, and mainly the children age will be 2 plus when they join for playgroup. They don't have patience to sit firmly in one place and they are very new to the education field, and they have to adjust to the new environment as well as teacher as well as language, and foremost talking to that is schooling program. So they need to cooperate and collaborate with each other. To help this all those things connected with the study, these all materials are going to help them. So among that, the curiosity for children is this latch box. So at home, parents will be restricting them to not to touch the door, not to operate with the latches and all. But here we are providing these all those things for them to operate. And what is the use of operating with this all? So their muscular training and cognitive development as well as thinking abilities, language, everything is going to be explored. For example, if the child is operating this latch like this, he is using this fingers, and as well as the movement and grip of the things helps them to writing skills development. As well as I am teaching them how to open the door, how to close the door, and what is this is known as in English latches. So he is experiencing new words, and which is very helpful for his language, speech and reading other things. And we have one more interesting material for our children. This is our thermic bottles, wherein they are experiencing the touch sense through the bottles. This is exclusively designed Montessori materials, wherein we pour extreme hot water and it is safely inserted inside the cozy, where the child will be experiencing how hot the water is or how chill the water is, and what all the gradations they are going to known with. Extreme hot water is known with hot water, and extreme cold water is known as freezing water. So normal water and cold water, these all those things the child is going to experience with this thermic bottles. So like this, various materials are there in our lab which gives thinking abilities and fine motor skills and muscular training, and also connects to the studies. So later on, when in nursery or LKG, when teacher talk about the vegetables, the child is familiarized with pairing with this such pegboards. And we give the enhancement of usage of these 3 fingers, wherein for writing it is very important for children to hold the pencil and write. So that is how they are experiencing different topics also, as well as fine motor skills also. Along with that, muscular training and the knowledge of concepts. In EVS we have big and small. So same circle has been given in different sizes. Big circle, next bigger one, next one. So it is given in gradation one. Big, small, smaller. So like that the child is understanding which is big and which is small with the same shape, not with the different. And we also have some more cards wherein they can explore the shapes. Here different shapes has been given. In that board only the concept of big and small has been given, but whereas here different shapes, basic shapes has been given. So this is about our playgroup materials, and there are n number of other things where the children are experiencing inside the classroom.